Hi everyone, my name is Carlene. I'm here to show you guys our dusted inverted heart demo today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically use the inside of your big shapes if you are going to put one in the background. And what we're going to do today is use a little bit of white paint, which I have here, and we're going to just whitewash the entire outside of the board with just the shape in the middle. This is something I only recommend doing for our big shapes and images, and you can just peel out the inside of the heart of the stencil and place it down on your sign like we have here. I'm just going to dab a little bit of paint onto our brush, and what we're going to be doing is just dragging from the inside out always to make sure that we have lots of paint coverage, but dragging it as far as it'll go before going back to get more paint. This is something you can go very light on, or you can build up on the paint a little bit too, but I recommend just doing as light as possible and then building as you go. Always working from the inside, because if you were to swipe towards the heart, you would be able to push paint under it, and it makes the bleed a lot worse when you peel up the stencil. And I'm just gonna do this kind of everywhere, dragging as far as it'll go. Definitely I recommend the bristle brushes for this technique. Something that kind of gives it a nice kind of rustic, dusted look. Alrighty. Now it doesn't look like it's going to show very much, but actually when you peel up the stencil you'll see the nice line, which I'll do here in just a moment. Alright, nice even coverage is what you're going for, but really lightly dusted / dragged over the sign. Alrighty, here we go. So once we're done with that, we just peel away the inside of the heart before applying the next layer. Just going to do a little reveal on this. There we go. Okay, so we have this wonderful time stencil with the copper and black overlaid on top of our beautiful heart that we just did. So I'm going to just peel away this stencil to show you guys kind of what it looks like at the end, to have one of those nice hearts in the background. Just gonna lightly, gently as you can, peel away. And just this little spot. There we go. Alrighty, there's our very popular, wonderful time of the year stencil. Oh, there's a little piece right here. There we go. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please visit our website, rusticsignnight.ca, to purchase tickets to the next event.